The Krish Automation was founded in the year 2014 by my father, Mr. Balamurgan. We manufacture components for various sectors like oil and industry, automobile, aerospace, general engineering components, and other industries as well. While I was doing my master's in Germany, I did my master thesis in additive manufacturing, where I got to know about this technology. So I thought this technology would be a game changer for manufacturing industry. I did my research about various 3D printing technologies and solution providers who has the expertise to provide the right 3D printing technology, where I came across Phillips Machine Tools. They suggested me with various 3D printing technologies where based on my requirements, I found FDM technology to be the best. So they suggested me Markforged Mark II 3D printer. After purchasing Markforged Mark II 3D printer, I could supply prototypes for various industries where the expected 3D printing strength was possible, and the quality, the surface finish, the strength was absolutely good. So I'm very happy with the products of Markforged.
With Markforged Additive Manufacturing technology, we are providing various solutions to manufacture parts with shorter time and with less cost. This is possible with various materials provided by Markforged like Onyx, carbon reinforced fiber, and with user-friendly software icon. This part, we printed it for aerospace industry as a prototype for fitment testing purpose, and similarly this part, we printed this enclosure for an agricultural sector. We have been very successful in delivering the parts as per the customer's requirements in terms of cost, time, strength, dimensional accuracy, and surface finish. Our association with Phillips Machine Tools has been very pleasant, right from installation, training, and overall services. Their additive manufacturing expertise has helped us time and again in overcoming any technical issues. We look forward to this association for years to come.